Please subscribe.
The 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 debuted at the 2018 Detroit Auto Show wearing an exterior that commands attention. Larger than the truck it replaces, the 2019 Silverado 1500 is more capable and is now available with a new 3.0-liter turbodiesel i6. In total, 6 powertrain combinations will be available along with 8 trim levels. Immediately, the 2019 Silverado 1500's front fascia grabs attention with its new slim headlights and a massive new grille that changes based on the trim level. The most aggressive-looking variant is the Trail Boss with its blacked-out front fascia, giving it a tougher appearance than other trims. In comparison, the outgoing Silverado 1500 was boxier and its front end didn't have nearly as much visual pop as the 2019 model. From the side, both trucks have a very similar silhouette until you get closer to the front, where the 2019 model's slim headlight clusters give it a less conventional look by breaking up all the boxiness. Out back, the angular theme continues with taillights that mimic the shape of the headlights and split dual exhaust tips instead of the large side exit tips of the outgoing truck. The most obvious change is the addition of a large Chevrolet script on the tailgate, which is similar to what's found in crosstown rivals Ram 1500 and certain trims of the Ford F-150. The interior is where some familiarity can be found between the 2019 model and the outgoing trucks, such as the dual glove box and a conventional instrument cluster. Some of the controls remain to the left of the driver. However, the center stack in the 2019 Silverado 1500 appears to have more buttons compared to its predecessor. Even the center console design is similar and features a large storage cubby ahead of the cup holders and on the side. When it goes on sale later this year, the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 will offer a full range of configurations to suit any truck buyer's needs, from a utilitarian work truck to a luxury-minded high-country variant packed with all kinds of creature comforts. For those of you looking for some off-road performance, the Trail Boss will come with just that and include a specially tuned suspension with additional ground clearance, all-terrain tires, Rancho shocks, and skid plates.